Did your doorbell ever catch something like this? This little girl comes sprinting to the door, screaming something is chasing her, and it's just ducks. Mantis rings the doorbell, homeowner opens up, looks around, sees absolutely nothing. This woman is actually arguing with a raccoon through her ring cam, telling it to get out of her trash, and the raccoon does not care. This couple was deep in a horror movie when their food delivery showed up. They screamed at the delivery guy like he was the killer. Guy comes home, bumps his head on a hanging plant, and just turns around and punches it into pieces.